Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Transition of dhu to the. Possessive particle dhu changes to the when it accompanies an object in verbal sentence. As the objects are in accusative case, the possessive particle defining the object also enters the case Mansub, so takes fatha ending. Let us see some examples. Indi daftarun dhu warakin musattarin. I have a notebook with ruled paper. Here daftarun is a noun which is under the case marfoo, so the possessive particle will be dhu. The next example we have Ishtaraitu daftaran dha warakin musattarin. I bought a notebook with ruled paper. Here daftaran is the object of the verbal sentence, so it takes the possessive particle dha, which follows the case mansub. Hada mushafun dhu harfin kabirin. This is a copy of Quran with big letters. Uridu mushafan dha harfin kabirin. I want a copy of Quran with big letters. The opposite for this possessive particle is ghairu. It comes with the meaning without, not and other than. We have some examples. Hada warakun musattarun. Hada warakun ghairu musattarun. This is a notebook with lines and this is without lines. Hada al-khabaru sahihun wa hada al-khabaru ghairu sahihun. This news is correct and this news is not correct. Let us do some more exercises. Indi daftarun dhu ghilafin jamilin. I have a notebook with beautiful cover. Uridu daftaran dha ghilafin ahdar. I want a notebook with green cover. Ra'aytu ma'al mudiri rajulan dha lihyatin baydaa. I saw with the manager a man with white beard. Liman dhakal baytu dhunnafidati dayyikati. To whom does this house with narrow windows belong? Indi mu'ajamun dhu suwarin mulawwanatin. I have a dictionary with colorful pictures. Ishtaraitu mu'ajaman dha suwarin mulawwanatin. I bought a dictionary with colorful pictures. Try it yourself. Fill in the sentences with dha or dhu. Examples from Al-Quran. ذَلِكَ فَضْلُ اللَّهِ يُؤْتِيهِ مَنْ يَشَاءُ وَاللَّهُ ذُو الْفَضْلِ الْعَظِيمِ. أو مسكينا ذا متربة فما وجدنا فيها غير بيت من المسلمين.